noticed something in my book.
Oh, really? What did you notice, Janvi?
Every sentence begins with a capital letter and ends with an end mark.
Yes, it is right, Janvi. This is a very important rule in writing.
If you see this sentence, it starts with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. Why is it so?
We use a full stop at the end of a statement to show that the thought is complete. It helps the reader to understand where one idea ends and another begins.
Is a full stop for statements? What about questions?
We use a question mark at the end of a question. See this sentence? It starts with a capital letter and ends with a question mark because it's asking something.
Oh, I see. So every sentence begins with a capital letter and ends with either a full stop or a question mark depending on what it is saying.
Exactly, Janvi.
Wow, punctuation is important. It makes reading so much easier to understand.
Yes, it does. Now that you know this, you can make your writing clear and easy to read too.